getting ready for our rafting trip.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, Tom.
Yeah, so probably the best. He's facing that way. That's what I'm at the back of the boat. I am kind of like the steering, and then you guys are the acceleration, okay? The paddle or all forwards, all right? So for that one, I just want you guys to get that paddle blade nice and deep in the water. Normally we are a lot more attached, but we're kind of just floating around here. So we're left side forward, right side backwards. That's just for me to spin the boat really fast if I need to, okay? Get down! Get down! All right, back up for me! There. That was fun. We call it that because it is a wicked surf wave. And all forward. And all forwards again. And all forwards. And get down, get down. Woo! All right. Yeah, you guys took it all for us.
Yeah, exactly.
Does anyone want to volunteer? Any volunteers? We got one. All right. So, let's go all forwards. Nice and hard, guys. Let's go. And stop there. Woo! For me. There. Good wave around. All right. And all backwards again. And all backwards. And all backwards again. And stop. And forward. And get down. All right, back up there, guys. Let's go all forward. Forward.
Spinning around.
And all forwards again for me. Distraction. And all forward. Woo! And stop. All right. Woo! And all forwards. Maybe. Go. This guy's just sitting here. Upside down! All right, and we can go all forward. like jump off something?
Yeah.
Unfortunately not. No. All right, and I'm gonna be pulling people back in right away, okay?
No,
Yeah,
really?
yeah, really.
Why? I just got in.
I know, but look dead ahead of us here at these mountains in front of us. The one off to the left-hand side is the Goat Mountain. And then off to the right, the one that kind of looks like the back of a dinosaur, is Mount Yamnuska. So Mount Yamnuska is kind of like a famous peak here in the Rockies. They sometimes call it the gateway to the Rockies because it's the first major mountain as you're coming in from the east or from Calgary. And it's got some of the most challenging rock climbing routes on that base there that are in the Bow Valley. So